Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Now, in southern India, when you're looking at having a curry which can be cooked within 5-10 minutes in a hurry, you always think about tomato chutney. This particular dish is very popular here because it takes lesser time to cook and it's easier with 4 to 5 ingredients. So let's have a look at the basic version of this Thakkali Chutney or tomato chutney. Now there are different variants in this. You can actually use egg with it, you can use dry fish with it. So today we're going to purely look into a vegetarian version of it. I've taken a medium pot. I'm adding 50 ml of groundnut oil, cold pressed groundnut oil. It's not refined, it is filtered groundnut oil. This will actually enhance the flavor of the tomato chutney. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard. Allow the mustard to splatter. Add the cumin, curry leaves and green chili, chopped onions. Fry the onions till they get glossy. Once the onion is fried to glossy and pink, you will lower the flame. Add the chili powder, mix it well. This will actually enhance the color of the dish. Add the turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt to taste. Mix it well and pour the ground tomatoes. At this time, increase the flame and mix it well. Allow the tomatoes to get cooked. Do not add any extra water to the dish. Adding water would tamper the taste of the dish. The water that you see here is actually extracted from the tomatoes, so I'm just going to mix it well. Allow it to cook. At this point of time, let's check the salt. Needs a little bit of salt, so I'll add it. Mix it well. Now the tomato is cooked. We'll mix it. This is a dish that can be prepared within 10 minutes. So if in case you are late from work or you had been out and you want to cook something, this would be the right dish for you. Your tomato chutney is ready. You can actually eat it with rice or any other flatbreads, dosa, idlis, during lunch, dinner, or even at breakfast. Please find the ingredients and the method in my description below, and please do comment on my video if in case you liked it.